Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today episode review, I'm gonna show to you how do I make vitamin C serum. Without further ado, let's get started. So, what does vitamin C serum do for the skin? Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that works to stimulate collagen production in your skin. Vitamin C it's also fight fine lines, brighten your skin complexion, and provide a host of other benefits. Skincare expert find out that this is one of the best anti-aging ingredients you could ever use. Now for the first ingredient is rose water. Rose water functioning as a good hydrating, moisturizing, soothing, refreshing and nourishing. The application is very good to sensitive skin, baby care product, facial and hair mist product and etc. Galactomyces, or known as a miracle water, it's functioning as a skin brightening, anti-inflammation, cell regeneration, antioxidant, hydrating, moisturizing, purifying and rejuvenating. It's good for application for all kind of personal care product include ampule, serum, toner and etc. Widely used in Japan and Korea for well-known skincare brand product. Have you heard about SK2 essence? Vitamin C powder. Vitamin C is a skin whitening, lightening, depigmentation, anti-aging and antioxidant. Cucumber powder extract. It's skin soothing, cleansing, moisturizing, astringent, anti-inflammatory, refreshing and anti-irritant. It's a very good skin lightening, good for all kind of skincare product. Next ingredient, it's optional. By adding this herb, it will turn your end product serum will become lightly brown. Hey, if you don't mind with the color, so it just okay. Sodium hyaluronate powder function as a skin hydrating, moisturizing, lubricating, film forming, water retention and prevent skin from damaging. all the active ingredients powder into the bicar. Gently stir until dissolve. We need an extra heat for about 8 to 10 seconds should be enough just to infuse the herb and without damaging the active ingredients like herbal extract and vitamin C itself. Next is you may need to filter the solution. Without small particle or undissolved powder. Gently stir the hyaluronic acid. After 4 to 8 hours, you will notice that the hyaluronic acid clumps are turning clear and dispersing. Lemon essential oil, functioning as a skin whitening, brightening, antiseptic, refreshing, astringent, firming, anti-cellulite, and deodorizing. It's a very good application for all type of skincare, all kind of product, and hair care. Now for the last ingredient, we need some preservative just to preserve the product. I choose the paraben-free preservative because it was a broad spectrum antimicrobial activity. It's very effective in the control of gram-negative organism. Very good application for all kind of personal care product, include skin care, body care, hair care, and others. This amazing vitamin C serum, it's suitable to use on daily life. You can use on day and night time too. After a few days, you will notice a good result on your skin. That's amazing. Trust me. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you have any question, please write down a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, King of Homelet TV. Thank you guys. Assalamualaikum. Bye.